Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have got something exciting for marketers and business owners. It's a tool called QuickAds, and right now you can grab it with a lifetime deal. That means you pay once and use it forever. Before we begin, don't forget to check the description below for the deal link and the latest update. So let's get started. So first of all, what is QuickAds? QuickAds is an AI tool that helps you to make ads fast for Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, and many more. You just type a few words about your product or offer, and QuickAds will write ad copy, suggest headline, and even design visual post in just second. No need to hire a copywriter or a designer. The AI does it for you. Now the question is, who is it for? If you are a marketer, freelancer, e-commerce seller, or a small business owner and want to get more lead and sales, QuickAd can help you a lot. Now the question is, why do people like it? Because it saves time. You don't need to spend hours of writing ads or creating graphics. Quick Ads helps you to launch fast, test ideas, and run more campaigns. It also supports multi languages, which is great if you have a global audience. Now, let's talk about the lifetime deal. Most ad tools charge every single month, but Quick Ads is now offering a one time price. You can buy it once and use it again and again, no extra cost. So, is it worth it? If you run ads regularly or want to test new offers fast, then yes. Quick Ads is a smart tool. It makes life easier and helps you to focus on result. Please check the description below to grab the deal, and thanks for watching. Like and comment to this video, and if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe this channel. I will catch you in the next video.